Founded in 2010, Langxi Zhenhai Machinery Company Limited is a professional non-woven machinery manufacturer integrating product research and development, sales, and service. Our company is located in Xuancheng City, Anhui Province, China, with convenient transportation access, not far from Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Our main products are computerized quilting machine, pillow filling machine, duvet and pillow packing machine, different kinds of wadding production lines, and carding machine. Those products have been exported to the United States, the United Kingdom, Russia, Uzbekistan, Canada, Pakistan, India, Japan, Vietnam, Turkey, the United Arab Emirates, Egypt, South Africa, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, Serbia, and more than 60 countries and regions around the world, which have won wide praise and improved the popularity of Zhenhai brand. In order to better serve the overseas market, some of our products have follow ISO 9001 quality system, European standard and certification, Saudi Arabia SASO certification. Our experienced employees are committed to strict quality inspection and considerate customer service, which can meet the needs of different customers and ensure customer satisfaction. Whether you want to select a product from our existing catalog or seek help in special applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center at any time. If you have any new ideas and suggestions on our products, you are also welcome to contact us for common progress and development. Thank you.